How to change the audio language in Amazon Prime Video app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Prime Video app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the audio language, you can go to any video that you want to play. For example, I'll select a video randomly over here. Once you are in the video page, play the video first. Now in this now playing section of this video, if you tap on the video, at the top right corner you can see the text icon, tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the screen. Here you can see the subtitles section and the audio section. From the left hand side you can change the subtitles of your video, whereas from the right hand side you can change the audio language. There are different available options for the audio. You can only change from the given options. You can scroll down and see what options are available for you. So there are different Indian language audio available for this video, so you can select from it. So that's how you can easily change the audio language in Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.